Feeling lost in the job search jungle with your applications disappearing into the void? Today, we're diving deep into Jobscan to see if it can be your secret weapon or just another tool collecting dust. We're reviewing Jobscan in 2025, focusing on its ATS optimization capabilities, features, cost, and overall user experience. Step 1. Upload your resume and the job description for the position you're targeting. Jobscan's core function is comparing these two documents. Step 2. Jobscan analyzes both, pinpointing missing keywords, formatting issues, and skills gaps. It identifies what applicant tracking systems, or ATS, are looking for in the ideal candidate for that job. Step 3. Use Jobscan suggestions to optimize your resume. Focus on adding relevant keywords and highlighting matching skills. Step 4. Review the formatting feedback. Fix any issues that could prevent your resume from being read properly by the ATS. Step 5. Consider the cost. Jobscan offers various subscription plans. Evaluate which features are essential for your job search and choose accordingly. Are the premium features like cover letter optimization and skill certifications worth the upgrade? The verdict: Jobscan can be a valuable tool for understanding and navigating the ATS landscape, but it's not a magic bullet. If you're struggling to get interviews, its insights can be helpful, but remember to tailor your resume thoughtfully. Don't just stuff it with keywords. Ultimately, its worth depends on your budget, tech savviness, and the effort you put into implementing its suggestions.